Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Wednesday, February 27th of 2019. There is only one more day left of this month, so we have some February birthdays to announce. So let's announce them now. We have for tomorrow, we have Lyric Halverson, and also on the 29th, which there is no 29th this year, we have JJ Folks. So they have their birthdays. So happy birthdays. Kind of wraps up our February birthdays. And we'll get into March at the end of the week. If you are involved with Yearbook Club, that is happening today after school. And today for our lunch choices, we have chicken fajita bowl, cheeseburger, or some butter and jelly sandwich. And then also we have our paws that are brought to you by our first grade students. All right, we have three students here from first grade who are going to explain some things about something that you should not do when you are actually following pause.
Don't follow if there's somebody else thinks that bad, don't follow what they're doing. Be kind at all times. Don't rip up people's art projects.
Those are very good suggestions. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. Let's everyone have a great day today. So it is Wednesday, halfway through this first full week that we've had in quite a while. So let's keep going strong and make some great choices today.